Intermittent fasting is currently one of the world's most popular health and fitness trends. People are using it to lose weight, improve their health, and simplify their lifestyles. Many studies show that it can have powerful effects on your body and brain and may even help you live longer. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It is an eating plan that switches between fasting and eating on a regular schedule. Research shows that intermittent fasting is a way to manage your weight and prevent or even reverse some forms of disease. But how do you do it? And is it safe? Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you intermittent fasting benefits and facts. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. What is intermittent fasting? Many diets focus on what to eat, but intermittent fasting is all about when you eat. With intermittent fasting, you only eat during a specific time. Fasting for a certain number of hours each day or eating just one meal a couple of days a week can help your body burn fat, and scientific evidence points to some health benefits as well. Johns Hopkins neuroscientist Mark Matheson has studied intermittent fasting for 25 years. He says that our bodies have evolved to be able to go without food for many hours or even several days or longer. In prehistoric times, before humans learned to farm, they were hunters and gatherers who evolved to survive and thrive for long periods without eating. They had to. It took a lot of time and energy to hunt game and gather nuts and berries. Even 50 years ago, it was easier to maintain a healthy weight. There were no computers and TV shows turned off at 11 p.m. People stopped eating because they went to bed. Portions were much smaller. More people worked and played outside and in general got more exercise. Nowadays, TV, the internet and other entertainment are available 24/7. We stay awake for longer hours to watch our favorite shows, play games and chat online. We're sitting and snacking all day and most of the night. Extra calories and less activity can mean a higher risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other illnesses. Scientific studies are showing that intermittent fasting may help reverse these trends. But how does intermittent fasting work? There are several different ways to do intermittent fasting, but they are based on choosing regular time periods to eat and fast. For instance, you might try eating only during an 8-hour period each day and fast for the remainder. Or you might choose to eat only one meal a day, 2 days a week. There are many different intermittent fasting schedules. After hours without food, the body exhausts its sugar stores and starts burning fat. This is referred to as metabolic switching. Intermittent fasting contrasts with the normal eating pattern for most Americans who eat throughout their waking hours. If someone is eating 3 meals a day plus snacks and they are not exercising, then every time they eat they are running on those calories and not burning their fat stores. Intermittent fasting works by prolonging the periods when your body has burned through the calories consumed during your last meal and begins burning fat. Intermittent fasting plans. It's important to check with your doctor before starting intermittent fasting. Once you get his or her go-ahead, the actual practice is simple. You can pick a daily approach which restricts daily eating to one 6 to 8 hour period each day. For instance, you may choose to try 16 by 8 fasting. eating for 8 hours and fasting for 16. Most people find it easy to stick with this pattern over the long term. Another, known as the 5-2 approach, involves eating regularly 5 days a week. For the other 2 days, you limit yourself to one 500 to 600 calorie meal. An example would be if you choose to eat normally on every day of the week except Mondays and Thursdays, which would be your 1 meal days. Longer periods without food, such as 24, 36, 48, and 72-hour fasting periods, are not necessarily better for you and may be dangerous. Going too long without eating might actually encourage your body to start storing more fat in response to starvation. Research shows that it can take 2 to 4 weeks before the body becomes accustomed to intermittent fasting. You might feel hungry or cranky while you are getting used to the new routine, but those who make it through the adjustment period tend to stick with the plan because they notice they feel better. Foods you eat while intermittent fasting. During the times when you're not eating, water and zero-calorie beverages such as black coffee and tea are permitted. And during your eating periods, eating normally does not mean going crazy. You're not likely to lose weight or get healthier if you pack your feeding times with high-calorie junk food, supersized fried items, and treats. Intermittent fasting allows for a range of different foods to be eaten and enjoyed. Be mindful and take pleasure in eating good, nutritious food. Eating with others and sharing the mealtime experience adds satisfaction and supports good health. The Mediterranean diet is regarded as a good blueprint of what to eat. Whether you are trying intermittent fasting or not, you can hardly go wrong when you pick complex, unrefined carbohydrates such as whole grains, leafy greens, healthy fats, and lean protein. Intermittent fasting benefits. Research shows that the intermittent fasting periods do more than burn fat. When changes occur with this metabolic switch, it affects the body and brain. One study published in the New England Journal of Medicine revealed data about a range of health benefits associated with the practice. These include a longer life, a leaner body, and a sharper mind. Many things happen during intermittent fasting that can protect organs against chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, age-related neurodegenerative disorders, even inflammatory bowel disease, and many cancers. Some intermittent fasting benefits research has revealed so far include the following: thinking and memory. Studies discovered that intermittent fasting boosts working memory in animals and verbal memory in adult humans. Heart health. Intermittent fasting improved blood pressure and resting heart rates as well as other heart-related measurements. Physical performance. Young men who fasted for 16 hours showed fat loss while maintaining muscle mass. Mice who were overfed on alternate days showed better endurance in running. Diabetes and obesity. In animal studies, intermittent fasting prevented obesity, and in 6 brief studies, obese adult humans lost weight through intermittent fasting. Tissue health. In animals, intermittent fasting reduced tissue damage in surgery and improved results. Some changes that can occur in your body when you fast are the following: human growth hormone or HGH. The levels of growth hormone skyrocket, increasing as much as 5-fold. This has benefits for fat loss and muscle gain, to name a few. Insulin. Insulin sensitivity improves and levels of insulin drop dramatically. Lower insulin levels make stored body fat more accessible. Cellular repair. When fasted, your cells initiate cellular repair process. This involves autophagy, where cells digest and remove old and dysfunctional proteins that build up inside cells. Gene expression. There are changes in the function of genes related to longevity and protection against disease. These changes in hormone levels, cell function, and gene expression are responsible for the health benefits of intermittent fasting. Is intermittent fasting safe? Some people try intermittent fasting for weight management, and others use the method to address chronic conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, high cholesterol, or arthritis. But intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Before you try intermittent fasting on any diet, you should check in with your primary care practitioner first. The following people should steer clear of trying intermittent fasting: children and teens under age of 18, women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, people with diabetes or blood sugar problems, and those with a history of eating disorders. But people not in these categories who can do intermittent fasting safely can continue the regimen indefinitely. It can be a lifestyle change and one with benefits. Keep in mind that intermittent fasting may have different effects on different people. Talk to your doctor if you start experiencing unusual anxiety, headaches, nausea, or other symptoms after you start intermittent fasting. Well, dear viewers, there you have them: intermittent fasting benefits and facts. What is your experience so far with regard to intermittent fasting? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.